Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, May the 27th, 2020. We have here three regular Sudokus, a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. But in this newspaper there are also this is the additional new paper. In the additional of this newspaper, we have also a 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. So totally, we have today 8 Sudokus to solve. A lot of Sudokus. So we will start first with the Sudoku binary. So let's get started. Alright, this is a Sudoku. I think 10 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this one is 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 1's in a row and in a column. So let's get started. Alright. We have here double 1, here and O, there and O. Here also double 1, here and O, there and O. A double 1 here and O, there and O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Yes. Alright, then I will continue with the O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Then a double 1 here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. And then I need to we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place the 5th 1 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. That is not allowed, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. And then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place the 5th 1 here, then we have 1, 2, 4 O's in a row in this column, so it's not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Let's continue with this. 1, 2, 3. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4 1's. If I place the 5th 1 here, wait a minute, yeah, here, then we have 3 O's in a row. So here cannot be a 1, here should be an O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double 1, here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 1 extra, yes. This should be a double O, here 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, and there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double O here and 1, there and 1. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, yes, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Yes, double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O, O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there and O, double O here and 1, there and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. If I place the O, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row, so not allowed. This should be in 1, double 1 here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, between 2 1s comes in O, between 2 O's comes in 1, and between 2 1s comes in O. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great binary Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching this great video. See you in a minute. I will continue with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye.